Hi once more to another wonderful Look and Listen English lessons. Today we are going to continue to discuss the conditionals, but we are going to focus on the third conditional, which is the third episode on this topic. Before we're going to start, I'd like to send a giant hug to my new subscribers and of course to welcome my new viewers. Hi there. Also, I want to remind you to join my community where we can share thoughts, leave comments, or you can even ask me questions and follow my Quora space on Facebook, wherever suits you. I'm here just for you. Remember that. Okay, I'm excited. Let's get started. Look and listen. Here we go. So the third conditional is the loss condition. Meaning that it is about something that could have happened in the past but did not happen, and now its time has passed. So it is lost case and it is currently not possible to change the situation. So remember that. The time expressions we use are yesterday, last year, or 2 weeks ago. The form of a sentence will appear like this. In the first part, the if part will come in the past perfect, had plus verb 3, and in the second part, the result will appear with would, have, plus verb 3. You can also use might, could, or should. The third conditional mood expresses a situation that could have only happened in the past if a certain condition had been met. That's why we use the modal auxiliary verb plus have plus the past participle. I'll give you an example. If I had cleaned the house, I could have gone to the movies. If I had cleaned the house, I could have gone to the movies. If I had studied harder last night, I would have succeeded in the test. Here are a few more good examples for the third conditional. If I had worked harder, I would have passed the exam. But I didn't work hard and I didn't pass the exam. So you see, if I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. But I didn't know that you are coming, so I didn't bake a cake. Naughty me. I would have been happy if you had called me on my birthday. Again, the same thing. Now, let's see what happens in the negative form. Each part of the sentence can be changed to negative by making the auxiliary verb negative. Hadn't plus verb 3 plus wouldn't have plus verb 3. For example, if I hadn't studied, you wouldn't have succeeded so well. Now, you try. Put the correct third conditional verb form, and remember, I'll leave the answers will be waiting for you in the description box below the video as always. Okay, let's start. Number 1, if you not be late, we not miss the bus. Number 2, if she study, she pass the exam. If we blank arrive earlier, we blank see John. Number 4, if they blank go to bed early, they blank not wake up late. Number 5, if he become a musician, he blank record a CD. Number 6, if she go to art school, she become a painter. Number 7, if I be born in a different country, I blank learn to speak a different language. 8, if she blank go to university, she blank study French. 9, if we not go to the party, we blank not meet them. Negative form. Number 10, if he take the job, he not go traveling. 11, he be happier if he stay at home. Number 12, she blank pass the exam if she blank study harder. 13, the last one, we not or get married if we not go to the same university. Oh really? Give me a break. Right guys, this is it. Let me know if you came out with the right answers and keep it in your playlist. I also recommend watching the first and second conditionals video. Okay, if you haven't done so. All right, see you later next time. Bye bye.